guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Erin. So I just got into BI through the Bita performance film. So if you guys haven't seen that reaction, definitely go check it out. Today I'm going to be doing the recommendations you guys gave me for more BI content because I need more BI content. He is amazing and I love his dance style and I love everything about him. The fact that he produced his songs and all of that stuff. And I'm definitely going to check out Icon as well, so stay tuned for one of those in the future. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the stuff that we have for today. We're going to be starting off with the Waterfall performance film, and then we'll watch a couple other videos. So yeah, let's get into Waterfall. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, framing. Nice framing. Ugh. Okay, we're not even 10 seconds in, and the way this dude walks toward the camera has me so intimidated. Like, imagine having this kind of powerful walk. Whew, I just got chills for no reason. Ugh, goodness. Wait, does this have English subtitles? Okay, yeah. Ooh, my name's Hypocrite. Ooh, is this about to be some poetry in motion? My name's Monster. Love that he's wearing white and they're wearing black. It really contrasts what he's saying. Like, I'm a monster. Oh my gosh. Endless agony? This is a lot to process. Ugh. Oh my god, just the things he's spitting right now are so powerful. Like, this lyric, vomit the color of tears that resemble the sea out of my mouth. What? Where in your brain do you come up with something like that? Tell me, I need the secret. And the way he moves is like, it's literally like water. I am just obsessed with Waterfall. He's literally a dancing waterfall. Ooh. Okay. Calm down. Yeah, you are a waterfall. That's safe to say. Damn, he's got his head on straight. Ugh, he throws out his emotions. Oh my god, this drop. Holy. He's so talented. How does he move like that? I love that his baggy shirt is adding just so much texture to this dance. Ooh, and these camera angles. Ooh, into the slow vibes. Okay. How is it already over? Oh, I wanted so much more of that. Oh my gosh, he has such a, like... How would you describe his vibe? I'm like intimidated, but I want to be his best friend. Like, that's the vibe that I get from him. And that's the best kind of vibe anyone can give off for me, honestly. Like, if I'm intimidated by you, but I still want to be your best friend, you're doing something right. Okay, so that was Waterfall, and I'm going to be watching that obsessively now, safe to say. He really likes the water imagery because this next video already is starting off with water. Yeah, I'm really intrigued now to see like what it's gonna be. So this one's Illa Illa and it's the music video, or Illa Illa, probably Illa Illa. Don't know what that means. Let's see. Alright, we're in the ocean. Oh, you good, bro? You're in a whole suit out there. He's probably not good if he's in a suit in the ocean. Just a look, though. Imagine just walking down the beach and some dude comes out of the water with a suit on. I'd probably piss myself. Oh, wow. I love this. Emotional anemia. He's got such a raspy voice. Oh, watch out, bro. Where are you running from? Ooh, ooh, this is nice. The waves that sway around my eyes. He has such beautiful lyricism. Oh, dang, that hits deep. Oh, rip my heart out. Oh gosh. Oh, that is a cool visual. Surrounding him. Like the rain. Oh, it's so nice. I like this. It's very floaty and dreamlike. So he's just running from his past and now he's happy. Longingness is what I do best. Depression is the most comfortable home for me. Why is this dude just literally spitting bars this entire time? Like, I'm so impressed by his brain. Ooh. Oh my god. When you get used to saying goodbye. Ooh. And comparing that to a beach where you're just swept away by your emotions. Brilliant. I just want to sit down and talk to him about like his process of coming up with these concepts because it's so interesting. Ooh, that was cool. Oh wow. So much visual. It's this bunny just holding like an arrow. Ooh. Very pretty. Ugh, don't show him in the studio. I'm already in too deep. I love how it's just repeating in the background. Who's Hanbin Kim? Oh, probably the producer, I guess. Oh wait, is that his name? Hanbin Kim? B.I. What does B.I. stand for? I don't really know anything about him, so I apologize. Oh, the way it's repeating is so ethereal. He has such a nice texture to his voice. Mother? What? Why did it say mother at the end? Was this written for his mom? What? I feel like this was written after he went through something really traumatic. Like, it had such a heavy weight to it. And I just really love his symbolism, like the way he uses water and like other elements to show his pain. Wow. As someone who enjoys writing, it's really inspirational to me when I see other writers just going in and like completely taking over a concept and crushing it. Because now I'm like thinking of all the different ways that you can use water to explain pain, and it just really sparks that inspiration and creativity in me. So I really have a lot of respect for him. I'm so excited to see this next one, because we still have to watch Keep the Fire Alive, the Cosmos Message Film #1, which I'm really intrigued by because Cosmos Message Film just sounds intense. Alright, let's do it. Ooh. Oh, so this has the beginning of Illa Illa in it. I heard it was like a mix of some of them. Ooh. The lo-fi remix. Uh-oh. Why is there a gun? Ugh. Again with the lyricism. Everything being on fire around him. Oh, yes. Oh my god, I love all of these references to like big, fast things like Kobe Bryant and Fast and Furious, just like nice references. I feel that so much. I like this one the most. Heck yeah. What are the red beams in your eyes? I like how he has so many pianos in his music videos. It's really pretty. Oh, wait, he was wearing the mask? Wait, what? Is he the bad guy? Oh my god, I love the cut to the all red and black. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's so sexy. The synth. Ooh. With that flame projected. Is this a giant projector? Ugh, his dance style though. Nah, he's in this for the impact. You need to know what tough times he went through. I feel like that'll make this so much more impactful. Because he's referenced those a lot. And I'm sure it's something that probably most people know. Oh, flame in my pupils. Ooh, yes. Oh, it does look like a dinosaur. Oh my god, that was cool. Oh my god, I love his vibe. Oh my god, who does he remind me of? He has such a nice flow. He looks like he's always like his dance style reminds me of like, oh, doesn't remind me. It feels like he is always just like, you never know what he's about to do. Like he's never looking where he's gonna put his foot next, and it's really nice because it creates this like this kind of chaotic element to the way he dances, and it really keeps you like interested in watching how he's like navigating. Like it's so nice. Ooh. Ugh. The way this hits with the music, oh my god. Very like chaotic kind of monster-like movements. And I love that since he references monsters in there. Ugh, that was so good. Like, I want to rewatch that immediately. Like, his style really sucks me in. And the way that he, like, contrasts, like all black with like the bright backdrop. Like that's such a nice contrast from a creative perspective. And I really like am always intrigued by what he's gonna do next. Like it's so nice watching him. Wow. That was produced so well. Like I'm just kind of obsessed with like all the videos that he's put out and the messages that they have. Like he has such nice messages. And not a lot of artists are focusing on these really dark elements in K-pop. So I really, really, really appreciate his honesty and his transparency, because I feel like we really don't get to see that very often. But yeah, let me know what else I need to watch from BI. I am in the fandom now. Whatever the name for BI fans are, I am one. Like, straight up, I love this dude already. And I can't wait to see some like behind the scenes stuff with him, just to kind of pick his brain a little bit more and kind of see where he gets his inspiration from, because he's got a hell of a like interesting lyricism that he produces. So yeah, let me know what I need to watch, and that's gonna be it for this reaction, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.